In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install VirtualBox on your Windows computer. So basically, when you talk about VirtualBox, we are talking of a system that can help you run or install other operating systems such as Ubuntu, Mac OS, and many more on your Windows computer without having to remove or to change your original operating system. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get VirtualBox, first you need to go ahead and open any browser and then just search for VirtualBox. And here is the website. It is from virtualbox.org. Go ahead and click on it to open. And you'll get to this website. This is the official VirtualBox website. To get it, go ahead and click on this download option, and under this you have to go ahead and choose the package that you want to download. As you can see, you have packages for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Safaris, and Safaris 11. So I'll go ahead and choose mine, which is Windows Host. So if you're on Windows, just go ahead and choose Windows. If you're on Mac OS, go ahead and choose according to your current operating system. So once I select mine, it will go ahead and download the program on my computer. Now, once the download is done, you can see it is here. I'll go ahead and open the folder under which it has been downloaded, and mine was downloaded under download. So I'll go ahead and install it. And to install this, I'll just right click on it and then click on run as an admin. I'll go ahead and click on yes to install it. And as you can see, it is preparing to install. From here, you'll get this window. Go ahead and click on next to proceed. And here you have to agree to the licensing agreement. And if you read this, you will see all it contains. This is a copyright of 2022. By the time I'm doing this, it is in 2025. Go ahead and click on accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. And for the rest, just go ahead and leave the custom setup as they are. Click next. And to finalize, click on yes. By doing so, you are agreeing to proceed with installation. So again, click on yes and choose whether you want to have maybe a shortcut on your start menu. You can also create a shortcut on the desktop and also create a shortcut in the quick access. So I'll just leave these as they are and then install from here. So this will go ahead and install it and then confirm by clicking on finish here. And as you can see, this is version 7.1.10, and this is as per the day of recording this video. So I'll click on finish, and now you can see we have our Oracle VirtualBox icon here. So to launch it, go ahead and just double click on it to launch your VirtualBox and start using it. And from here, go ahead and choose the mode that you want, whether you want basic mode or expert mode. Go ahead and click on it. And to be able to run your virtual or to install your virtual OS, just go to machine here. And from here, click on new. And from here, go ahead and give the name of the OS you want. Maybe you want Ubuntu. You can now go ahead and give it a name. And from here, go ahead and choose the folder in which your software or your operating system is. So by following this, you'll be able to install VirtualBox on your Windows computer and then start using it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.